Welcome back. One of the big winners of 2023 is RailTel. The stock has gained 130% in 2023 so far. And for this year, FY24, the company has guided for a 20 to 25% revenue growth. Sanjai Kumar, the chairman and managing director at RailTel Corporation of India, is with us on the show. Thank you very much for joining in, Mr. Kumar. This is Reema here. There is a lot of excitement about the potential revenues or the opportunities from the entire railway segment. We've had so many comments from the minister saying that the government is planning to invest about 7 lakh crore in the upgradation or new lines for railways. There is, Govt, which is the protection system that you use for railways, which will be deployed on new lines, even the existing ones. Can you tell us the opportunity for, RailTel and also the game plan from the government?
Yeah, so thank you very much, Reema, for inviting me. Certainly, investors are posing a lot of trust and they are looking at a lot of potential in our company. We are also equally optimistic. And as far as you asked about the railway spending, so as far as RailTel is concerned, there's a kitty of around 1 lakh crore, which is likely to be spent over the next 5 to 6 years in signaling and telecom sector in railways. And RailTel is, I've been telling earlier also, RailTel is eyeing around 15% of this kitty to be executed by us. Certainly through tenders. We are already making strategy. Apart from this, we are also working on some future technologies. In fact, technology which is already there, but we can have use of the same technology like digital twin and cybersecurity kind of requirement in every part of the world now. So these are another two areas where RailTel is working to get opportunities in railways, not only railways, but outside as well.
Okay.
So this is what I see about railways as far as...
Got it, sir.
As you asked.
Mr. Kumar, good morning. Prashant here. So what's the current order book at? Because you're telling us that you are hoping to win about 15,000 crores worth of the 1 lakh crore order, which you think will be put out for bidding. Over what period, sir, this is?
This will be executed over next 5 to 6 years. This our estimate.
And this should be bid out by when? The tenders should be out by when for this 1 lakh crore?
Tenders will be spread over period of maybe next 1 or 2 years.
Okay.
And maybe some tenders might come later because Govt is a new technology and Railways is also working out to make this happen with LTE technology. Presently, the Govt which has been rolled out is on an old technology which is VHF. So the Railways is also coming out with the tenders, but I believe it will take another 5 to 6 months, maybe another 3 months also possible, but we are ready. We are working out with partners, continuously touch with the industry to take on these tenders.
And 15,000 crores is your expectation, and this will all be competitive bidding. Why are the competitive bidding route?
Of course, this is competitive bidding. And we have actually started taking projects from railways through competitive biddings, and we are continuously getting, including signaling, which was hitherto not our area of experience. So now we have started taking works in signaling as well.
Okay, so a big opportunity there, 1 lakh crores in terms of just fresh bids and new orders that can come in. Sir, talk us through execution as well. It's been pretty decent for the company, and I think you're aiming at about 25% growth thereabouts for the year that's going to close out 24. But just translating the big order wins into revenue growth, sustained, strong revenue growth, what are the kind of annual run rates that you can hope to build on in FY25, 26? Can we get faster, speedier execution of these large orders?
Yeah, certainly speed is very important when we get orders. And we have been able to execute the works, but there were delays also, I accept that. But I would say that wherever we find that there are plugs, if there are gaps, we try to plug them. And we have focus actually on two things. One is delivery and the other is receivables. So from government, receivables is another factor which affects our performance. And
Sure.
we are onto these two. So basically we will focus on these two things. And I'm sure that our young team will be able to do it.
So just to get the numbers, you're saying the signaling opportunity is 1 lakh crore, of which you're hopeful to win 15%. This will happen over what time horizon, the tenders?
So tenders, as I told you, I expect them to happen over next 1 to 2 years.
1 to 2 years.
Because these
Okay.
will be floated by individual railways.
Sure.
And certainly progress of the current projects will
Got it.
also impact the specifications and
Fair enough.
other things.
So the other opportunity is the Govt opportunity. What is the size of the tenders over the next 12 to 24 months? And what is the market share that you're trying to garner or you hope to garner?
See, if we talk of Govt per se, if we take LT part along with the Govt, so it is around 30,000 crore total opportunity size. If we talk of next maybe 2 years, yeah.
So,
But the
this is,
execution again will take time because there's a lot of infrastructure needs to be created for
Right.
implementation. So that's why I'm saying that next 5 to 6 years is going to be the time frame when these projects will get executed and
this
revenues
is-
will flow. So
and this
these are
30,000
inherently
Yeah.
not that fast projects
Correct.
as someone may think of.
Okay, and this 30,000 crores is part of that 1 lakh crore that you mentioned, right? Telecom and signaling, what you said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
So just very quickly, finally, on the execution piece, revenue run rate, next 1 to 2 financial years, should we expect 25% revenue growth? Can it be 30%? And you mentioned receivables from the government. What is the receivable figure as of now, and by how much do you think you can reduce that as you focus on receivables in a big way?
We say, see, government projects, there are milestone payments. So if we talk of milestone payments, we are around 600 to 650 crores as on date. And generally we are getting payments in time. So this is what I would say about the receivables. But yeah, receivables, even 100 crore receivables delayed by 1 month, we lose on interest, we lose on cash flows. So that's why we are focusing on that part also. And when we are doing more projects, this becomes even more critical factor.
And top line growth, can you improve better than 25%?
Certainly.
Okay.
There's no doubt about that.
All right, so we'll leave it on that note. Thank you very much, and season's greetings. Wish you a happy new year in advance. With that, we're completely out of time on this edition of Bazaar. Many thanks for watching. Chartbusters takes the action forward.